सायन्स, ओशनोग्राफी, पोर्चुगीज लँग्वेज ह्या क्षेत्रांनी आमी एकामेकाक सहकार्य करूं शकतात. एक म्हणजे पोर्तुगाल देशान ह्या आमकां भारताक खास करून युनायटेड नेशन्साची मेंबरशीप घेवपा खातीर आमकां सपोर्ट दिल्लो. तशेंच फाटल्या दिसांनी जेन्ना युरी हांगा पाकिस्तानान हल्लो केल्लो त्या वेळार जगभरांतसून जो विरोध जालो तातूंत पाकिस्तान आघाडीर आसले निशेध करणारे आनी त्यामुळे जगांतलो दहशतवाद काडून उडोवपा खातीर निपटून काडपा खातीर आनी दहशतवादाची केंद्रां दहशतवादाचे स्पॉन्सरर्स हे आयडेंटिफाय करून आयझोलेट करप ही तशी जागतीक चॅलेंज आसा, आव्हान आसा. आनी भारता बरोबर पोर्तुगाल रावता ही गोष्ट बरी आसा. वी हॅव एज ओल्ड टायज with Portugal. Our ties are ranging from almost 500 years. And of course, after liberation, since last 55 years, we have been doing well. But even then, the Common Civil Code has been the gift to this state by Portugal. Common Civil Code is only practiced in Goa and appreciated across the country by even the other states. क्षेत्र में हम एक दूसरों की सहायता कर सकते हैं उसके बारे में चर्चा हुई. उन्होंने हमें स्टैंडिंग इन्विटेशन भी दिया है कि इलेक्शन होने के बाद आप फिर आना. इलेक्शन होने के कारण कोड है, हम ज़्यादा बातें भी नहीं कर सके, लेकिन इलेक्शन के बाद हम जरूर उन्हें फिर एक बार मिलेंगे.
Excuse me. Some people think that Portugal should apologize for what is being did here. What do you think about it?
Look, I don't like to create controversy, particularly on the eve of election. In fact, this gentleman shows and discloses proudly that his origin is in Goa. In that sense, I feel we Goans should feel proud that people who ruled us for 450 years long back, today a person of Goan origin is heading entire Portugal. It is a matter of pride. It should be a matter of pride for all of us.
And I have the proud privilege of receiving him in Goa. Not only that, when I was in Lisbon, he received me at the Câmara Municipal of Lisboa. He received me personally. So it's a big honor, a reciprocal honor. He receiving me in Portugal and I receiving him in Goa. It's one of the biggest things in my life. It's monumental in the sense that a Goan who was colonized by Portugal is the Prime Minister of the people who has colonized us. It's one of the biggest achievements.
Do you think that the both region can work together?
Definitely. We have a lot of things in common with Portugal. We have historical connections. 451 years of Portuguese rule in Goa. It's not a small number of years, it's a big number of years. A lot of culture is in Goa. So we can share a lot of things in common. Portugal is in a state of mourning. The founder of democracy in Portugal, Mr. Mario Soares, has died a few days back. And they are in a state of mourning. They requested us to withdraw the musical program which was there. We informed the Minister of External Affairs and they agreed to allow them to withdraw.